Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Do you have picky eaters as your children? Do they like to eat meat, or do you want to ensure that they have all their proteins, their vegetables, and they don't like to chew meat or eat meat? Follow the secret recipe to see how I managed to infuse corned beef and chicken in my daughter's Indomie. The first thing I did was to parboil the Indomie. I drained off the water and added the seasoning to the Indomie, and that's the Indomie there. The next thing I'll do is to finely fry or slightly fry the corned beef and the meatballs. So she would see that there is something in the Indomie, but she's not particularly showing any meat, or for example, our lazy eaters in children who don't like to chew or don't even like to eat. And I'll just wait for the meat to be well cooked, which is my chicken balls that I've previously boiled and the corned beef, and then I'll break this meat gently inside the Indomie, and voila, is ready to serve. In this video, you see my daughter could barely wait. The aroma and it looks different from how they would usually eat their Indomie. She was really excited and just couldn't wait to eat this. Please do good to subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you'd like me to share with you, and thank you for watching. Bye until next time.